Lathkill Dale, nestled in the picturesque Peak District of England, with the market town of Bakewell only a stone's throw away, is a natural wonder of rugged beauty. This stunning limestone valley is a haven for photographers, hikers, nature enthusiasts, and anyone seeking tranquility in the heart of the countryside. As you explore Lathkill Dale, you'll be captivated by the meandering Lathkill River. It glistens in the sunlight and carves its way through the limestone landscape. The river's crystal clear waters create small pools and cascades, adding to the area's enchanting allure. Its blue pools could be attributed to the purity and clarity of the water, but also the rich mineral content as the water flows through the limestone bedrock. Further upstream, beyond the blue water, there are 12 weirs. These were constructed to encourage trout to breed and as fishing pools in the 19th century. The fishing rights here, though, are now strictly private. Here the River Lathkill becomes tranquil and serene, its calm surface being perfect for ducks, moorhens and coot. Surrounded by lush meadows, ancient woodlands and limestone crags, Lathkill Dale is a haven for diverse wildlife, including kingfishers, dippers and sometimes otters. In the spring, wildflowers carpet the valley, painting it with vibrant colours, and in the autumn, the leaves on the trees give it a beautiful rustic hue. The walking trails here offer a sense of adventure and discovery. You can follow the footpaths along the riverbanks, through ancient woods and up to limestone outcrops with panoramic views. The towering dale sides create a sense of seclusion, making it an ideal escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Lathkill Dale isn't just a treat for the eyes, it's a sensory experience. The gentle rustling of the leaves, the babbling of the river, and the scent of wildflowers in the air all combine to create a symphony of nature.